everyone, today I'm very pleased to welcome you to the picturesque village of Othery. Here on a very peaceful lane called Summerhedge Road, we have an immaculately presented 3-bedroom detached bungalow, complete with multiple parking options and a beautiful garden overlooking the orchard. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. So if you wish to view this well-presented home or would like your property valued by the Property Centre, then please do get in touch.